LumiCloud Astra represents a solution for luminaire solution and lighting source that the customer can choose color temperature from starting from 2200K to 6500K. As you can see here, we can dim it down to 0 to a 100%, uniform lighting, no hotspot, lightweight, easy installation, great product. On my right hand side, we're presenting here one of the Vega family product, which we call Vega WW, warm white and cool white pixel control system. As you can see here, we show the ability to pixel control and to create different effects. Great product for architectural lighting. We don't use the RGB color, we have the other solution for RGB, RGBW. We're working here on the white spectrum light, great for just tunable white solution and turn the whole ceiling, wall, or any application to a movement and a very dynamic solution. This is the Vega WW LumiCloud.